What's the meaning of business hours? Business hours. Business hours.
Business hours. Business hours. Business hours refer to the set of hours during which a business is open and available to provide services or conduct transactions with customers. This time frame can vary depending on the type of business and may be influenced by factors such as location, industry, and customer demand. The concept of business hours is important as it helps customers plan their visits or interactions with a business and also helps businesses manage their resources effectively. By clearly defining their opening and closing times, businesses can ensure that they have the necessary staff, materials, and equipment to meet customer needs and optimize productivity.